Hey, so today we're going to be unboxing the Oakley Meta smart glasses. Here are my Ray-Ban Wayfair Meta glasses that I've used for about a year now. I'm going to use that to record a bit of it. Here is the view from the Ray-Bans. So here are the Oakleys. Comes in this little cool packaging. And there you go, Oakley Meta, and these are the HSTN model of the Oakley glasses. Of course, everything is a very premium packaging. Everything is Oakley branded. So my Oakley currently makes only one style for the Meta glasses, which is the HSTN. All right, so let's open it up. All right, very nice. So we've got a little pull tab here. Okay, just like the Ray-Bans, it opens up, fans out. Got a soft cloth, we've got some material. Basically you scan a QR code, download the Meta AI app, and then you can use that to pair your Oakley Meta glasses. Okay, so let's take a look at the case. The case is actually much heavier than the Ray-Bans, maybe because the battery is bigger, I'm not really sure. But these, here's the case. We've got the USB-C charge port on the bottom with a little button, and let's open it up. There's a little tab you pull, and then it connects to the battery, initiates the glasses. Let's take them out. So I have the black frame with the transition lenses, and here you can see inside the case, you see that little plastic piece in there. That's what actually connects to the nose piece of the Oakleys to charge. And we've got a little status light to show you the current state of the case and the glasses. All right, taking a look at the glasses. So yeah, these are the black frames with the clear transition lenses. I want them black this time just because I wanted to kind of hide away the circular lenses that people seem to notice with my Ray-Bans. But yeah, so it's a bit of it's glossy. You see the frame is glossy, it's all plastic. I noticed that the back isn't looped down. It's actually pretty cool because to take it on and off on your head, it's actually way easier. So you just slide it in and out. So I thought that was a pretty cool design. At first I was like, oh, it's straight, must be really weird to put on, but it actually makes taking on and off a lot easier. So yeah, that's going to be your volume control, right? We've got the Oakley sign on the side, we've got the lenses you can see in the front. Taking the back, take a look at the back, we've still got the 4 firing speakers, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top, right? And we've got the shutter button on the right. And then we've got the on-off switch on the left, just exactly the same as the Ray-Bans. Right, and that's how it is closed up. Can't wait to try these out. I will take a few more videos and give you my review. This is just an unboxing, just to show you how it comes in the packaging. So now let's do a weight test, see how it compares. So here's my scale. These are the Ray-Ban Wayfarers, and let's weigh them. They are at 52 grams. All right. And then with the Oakleys, they are at 53 grams. So pretty much identical in weight, which is pretty cool. The Oakleys actually seem like they might be heavier, but they're actually the same. Now, here is the biggest difference. So here's a case, watch this. Case is coming in at 212 grams. It's pretty heavy. because when you compare it to the Ray-Bans, 131 grams. It's very light.